Ed Sim is a visionary investor and founder of boldstart Ventures, who has played a pivotal role in the inception and growth of numerous groundbreaking cybersecurity companies. With a keen eye for emerging trends and a deep understanding of the intersection between AI and security, Ed is sharing some of his valuable insights into the future of cybersecurity on this episode of Taking Stock. Cybersecurity industry, obviously, it's facing numerous challenges, especially when it comes to sophisticated cyber threats and the regulatory challenges around that. So talk to me about the biggest trends right now that you're seeing specifically when it comes to that sector.
First and foremost, cybersecurity, in my opinion, is a gift that keeps on giving. It is actually terrible, but the numbers from the public companies keep growing, and the hackers are going into AI, and we're trying to catch up. So in my opinion, that's one of the hottest and exciting areas to invest in is securing AI.
Talk to me about how you're seeing companies integrate AI into their business model.
Protect AI is a cool company you should have on here at some point in time. And they started actually before this AI trend got very cool. So we started partnering with the founder in November of 2021. And he had this vision that just said, look, as AI proliferates in the world, we're gonna have one seminal hack that's gonna bring down a massive system. Imagine if you have like a banking mortgage application, AI application, and someone poisons the data or changes the model and changes the risk score. Or imagine if Tesla data got poisoned and a stop sign said go 60 miles an hour. So his vision was, how do I secure that whole end-to-end chain around it? And that's how Protect AI was born.
Now, Ed, you led inception financing in a number of different cybersecurity companies. Tell me about what you actually look for before deciding to move forward to work with a company, before you invest in them. What would you say is the criteria?
First thing we look for is the people. The people have to be incredibly passionate. And we usually say, like, why? Give me the reason to believe why it's you that's going to solve this problem. And then the product. How is this founder or founding team uniquely solving the product that will make the lives of a cybersecurity user or buyer 10 times better than what they could normally have? One vector we have is net new attack vector categories. That would be companies like Security Scorecard, where they invented security scores, right? Or that could be Sneak. They invented the concept of developer-friendly security, saving time, doing it faster, doing it cheaper. So those are the two different vectors we look at.
When it comes to regulatory changes, when we're looking at sophisticated cyber threats, what would you say are the biggest challenges right now?
It's getting board-level visibility. I mean, look at what's happening in the healthcare space right now. And when you get board-level visibility, the scrutiny increases, what you have to sign and what you have to protect increases. There's a real concern around deep fake detection. So I could actually be on a Zoom video with you, and it could be a live feed, and it could be someone else's voice and someone else's picture. How do you stop that?
Well, what's next for boldstart?
I think that anything or any founder that we meet right now, if they're not thinking about solving a problem and turbocharging the experience with AI, then I think it's nuts. And right now, I feel like we're in the golden age of opportunity.
To make an impact in the world, right?
Absolutely. And actually do good, right? I mean,
yes.
to stop the bad guys.
Well, thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.